And we're back again. So, we're routing our new positive wire to go to our breaker so that we can finish routing the positive wire into the car for the switch. So I have to route wire going from the battery to the breaker. So we're going to go within that vicinity, probably under the battery so it stays hidden and looks nice. Come up the firewall. I'm sorry. Header, come up. I'll tuck it inside here and use these holes to hold the wire up so it's not seen. Follow it across, go into here, go down inside, over, and then up to the breaker. No problem. So I get in, because I got to take the back. So I take my ground off first, as you always do, and then you take off your positive. And as I'm looking, see if I can get that to focus a little bit. That wire is ready to break. This wire is ready to break, so we're going to make new connections, which you can actually see. See if I can get that to focus. See that shiny little bit right inside that crevice? Yeah, that's the wire. It shouldn't be exposed at all. This one appears to be good, nice and solid. So we're going to redo these two. We're going to make a new connection for the positive wire going to the battery. I'm sorry, going to the relay. We'll get this all back together and get this taken care of. There's always something. There's never a break. But when you have a car like this, you make it right. No matter what you find, you make it right. So I'm in the process of making it right. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit when I finish routing some more wiring. All right, thanks guys. Bye.